welcome back to my YouTube channel. Excuse my squeaky voice because I'm having throat pain. I was partying yesterday with my cousin, so you know how parties work. So today is the most requested video of all the time. I've been getting many DMs and comments regarding this from a very long time, since 4 years, and finally I'm here doing this tutorial for you guys. Ouch. Yeah, sounds good. So finally, after all these years, I'm doing it right now for you guys. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to use this liner. It's a liquid liner from Lakme 925. It is very handy, and I like the brush of this liner, so I'd better go for this for regular use. Also, I would suggest you guys Too Faced Better Than Sex pen eyeliner. Also, I'd suggest you guys for Huda Beauty. Also, I'm not going to talk about all the liners I love and waste the time. I'm going to link all the liners I love in the description below, so you guys can check them out. To achieve that perfect winged eyeliner, all it needs is practice. That's it. You don't need to take that foam thing, that plastic thing, and put it on your eyes. Nothing is needed. Just practice. I learned it watching my mom do that while I was young. My mom used to put liner, and by watching her, I used to do it every day. When I was in my 3rd standard, I guess I started doing it because I love eyeliner so much, like so much. Enough of blabbering. Let's get started with the video for the 4th time. ध्यान से देखो, okay? चाला careful का चूड़न. Watch it with complete concentration. Actually, while putting eyeliner, you need to place your mirror just in front of your face. Not here, not there. Okay? Just like this. But as you guys can't see, I'm just keeping it here. But whenever you do that, just keep it straight to your eyes so that it will be easy to do that. Okay? So I think this is not. It's not comfortable. I think I'm gonna drop it off. So I'll better get a mirror. Okay, so this is good, and this is very comfortable. I'm very much zoomed in this. I'm just going to turn it like that. Firstly, I'm going to start my liner from the outer. I'm going to draw a line in the outer corner of my eye and get it right in the middle of my eye. So yeah, let's get started. Now I'm going to fill this one. Now I'm going to take it with a very thin line into the inner corner of my eye. That is it. It's very simple. All it takes is practice. Okay? Don't get demotivated just because you didn't get it for the first time you tried it. Okay? It takes time to get that perfect look, but it's okay. It can be messier. You could also fix that messy thing with an earbud and instead of water. That's fits for anything. And you can also clean it off with some concealer, but I like it this way. So yeah, this is the look. And I'm quite shaky with the other eye. I don't know why. If I get this one right, I won't get this one right. But I'll adjust it somehow. So also there are some gaps here. I'm going to fill them up. And the other eye, I think it will be a bit messier, but it's okay. Outline the eye and just fill in the gap. that's it. It's done. Ta-da! So yeah, this is the final look. Also, what I want to tell you guys is that figure out your eye shape. It's very important. Find out what's right for you. Find out the best product that suits you, be it liquid, gel, pen, anything. I don't know, I love liquid liners for some reason. So I hope you find this video useful. Also, do let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos do you want to see next. I'll be glad if you try this look and tag me on Instagram stories so that I'll know that you watched this video and learned something from it. And that would boost me up so much to make much more videos in the future. And I love you guys. Much love. Until next video. Bye bye. Oh, also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.